Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jesse, the Couch Movie Critic, and today I am back in the kitchen, which means we're doing an unboxing. Today we won't be doing one of the Funko ones. We're going to be doing it on a new piece of electronics. Just got my hands on, and this is a Amazon Firestick, second generation with Alexa voice remote. So I want to do a quick unboxing of this. I just got this. I took advantage of the Amazon deal days and got it for $19.99. Needed to upgrade the equipment that I use for my daughter for her Netflix and stuff in her room. So I said, why not get one and try it out. So let's go ahead, let's do a quick unboxing on this bad boy and we'll go from there. So here we go, guys. As you can see, it ships in a plastic bag. We're going to go ahead and take that out of there first. Get rid of that. Ugh. Yep, I'm getting old. Plastic bags are defeating me. So once we have it out of the plastic bag, we see it's got some descriptions of what it's capable of doing. It's got the instant voice search with Alexa voice remote. Use your voice remote to easily find, launch, control content, say find suspense thrillers, or launch Netflix, and Alexa will respond. Plus, play music, find movies, shows, yada yada. 17,000 plus channels, apps, and Alexa skills. Say goodbye to buffering with an ultra-fast processor. Blah, blah, blah. Effortless to set up and use. Find comedies, rewind 30 seconds to play games. Tells you what's included in the box, so I should be finding an Amazon Fire Stick second generation, the Alexa voice remote, 2 AAA batteries, a power adapter, USB cable, and HDMI extender cable. What we need is high-speed internet and with Wi-Fi, HD TV with input and more. So we've got quite a bit going on here, guys. I mean, you see what the Fire Stick is capable of, not just shows, but there's even Crossy Roads here, Disney Junior, some game stuff going on there too. So let's go ahead, let's open her up and take a look and see what comes in the box. So go ahead, and we've got a sticker right here. So let's go ahead and pull the tab. Boom, there we go. It's open. Oh, the love. Opening new electronics. So much fun. So let's go ahead and get on here. And the reason I'm just adapting one of these is I've been an Android box guy for a while, but couldn't pass up this deal date thing, so I figured let's go ahead and give it a try. A lot of friends tell me that I should get one, so here it is. So let's take a look here. What do we got? We got right here, we've got some inserts, we've got some information. Welcome to the Fire Stick, Fire TV Stick. Basically, I got some instructions on how to set up what's what and what not right there. So that's kind of cool. Right up in here, we have the USB cable. In the box, it's tucked right on in here. As we see, there's your USB side, there is your micro USB side to power it. Let's go ahead and slide that back in. We're going to put these off to one side, one. Got our power, oh, this is the HDMI extender, so you can extend it if you need to, which I think is very, very cool. You want to look at it, you've got the female end where you plug your HDMI cord, and this is the end that adapts to the TV or to the box, depending on what your configuration is going to wind up being. Let's go ahead over here. This is the power block itself here. So let's take a look at the power block. It's got the Amazon logo. It's a 5 watt with a 0.15 amp. So that's actually not too bad. Or a milliamp output. That's actually not too bad. It's not super strong. So if it ever did go out on you, you could always use a pretty much a standard USB block charger there. Let's go ahead and we'll just leave it right there in the middle. Doesn't matter. Let's go ahead and pull this out here. And voila, there she is. There's the actual Fire Stick itself. The Fire Stick, for some of you older guys out there, looks just like a USB dongle. It is a standard device, and it's just pretty much cut and dry. Plugs in. It's got the HDMI port, HDMI logo there, some CE information, and there's the power supply that connects to the USB cable that we have here in the box. Going to move this over here, and here is the remote. There's the remote itself, standard black second generation remote. Has all the buttons you need. Here's your Alexa remote, the home, back, guides, and controls. Very simple, very DIY. The back of the packaging here, it actually shows you how to open it up and set up the batteries. So kind of scary that needs to be there, but apparently somebody did something wrong, so had to go ahead and put that. It does come with AA batteries for you to be able to use and enjoy. So I think it's a very cool setup, very simple, very easy, cut and dry of everything that you need. I mean, it's not a super complex system. After that, it's pretty fundamental in doing your setup and going from there. So there you go, guys, the unboxing of the Amazon Fire Stick. We just went ahead and got that done from through and through. If you have any questions on it, please feel free to reach out. I probably won't have an answer right away because I'm going to set this up for the first time today for my daughter. Like I said, I've been a Android box guy forever and a day, but her box was starting to act up, so it was time to go ahead and do something new for her, and I decided this was the route that I'd go. As always, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. If you need anything from me, please feel free to comment, reach out to me. If you enjoy the videos, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any ideas for video, please feel free to let me know. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and have a great night.